Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell about best gaming laptops 2021 under 70,000. So before we get started, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So before going into details, let's just see what specs need to confirm before purchasing gaming laptop under 70,000. The graphic card should be minimum GTX 1650 series. The RAM should be minimum 8 GB. The storage should be of 512 GB SSD or dual memory slots like SSD plus HDD also good. The display of 15.6 inch to 17 inch Full HD to IPS panel display. The processor like i5 10th generation or Ryzen 5 4600H series. The minimum battery of 7 hours for gaming needed. The refresh rate of 120Hz. It should have RJ45 port. The clock speed should be in between 2.5 GHz to 4.5 GHz. So now we will look after the best gaming laptops under 70k. The first best laptop is Lenovo Legion 5 gaming laptop. Lenovo Legion series of laptop is one of the best sellers on the mainstream market. These laptops are primarily known for delivering solid performance numbers on board for a relatively cheaper price. The Lenovo Legion 5 is the one we are checking out right now, and it is considered to be one of the best gaming notebooks in terms of value. AMD Ryzen 5 4600H processor, Lenovo Legion 5 is among the best laptops in terms of performance at this price. The Legion 5 AMD has a huge base that extends beyond the hinge that refracts light. This hinge is full of connectivity ports that you can access from the back side of the laptop. Coming to the specifications, the dedicated graphic memory type GDDR6, the dedicated graphic memory capacity 4 GB, processor brand AMD, processor name Ryzen 5 Hexacore, SSD capacity 512 GB, RAM 8 GB, RAM type DDR4, screen type Full HD LGD backlit anti-glare IPS display with 250 nits brightness and 120Hz refresh rate with 45% NTSC color gamut and 16:9 aspect ratio. The processor variant is 4600H series. The chipset is AMD SoC. The clock speed is 3 GHz with turbo boost up to 4 GHz. The keyboard is 4-zone RGB white backlit. The expandable memory is up to 16 GB. The RAM frequency is 3200 MHz. Coming to the ports, it has 4 USB 3.2 ports with first generation, one always on and one USB 3.2 Type C first generation with function of DisplayPort 1.2. The graphic processor is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 series. The number of cores 6. Coming to the second best laptop is Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. This laptop is powered by Ryzen 5 Hexacore 5600H processor coupled with 8 GB of RAM and has 1 TB HDD plus 256 GB SSD storage at this price point. As far as the graphic card is concerned, this notebook has a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphic card to manage the graphic functions. To keep it alive, it has a 3-cell Li-ion battery and weighs 2.3 kgs. The multi-core PC Mark V test told a similar story with a score of 8200. Coming to the specifications, the graphic memory type GDDR6, the dedicated graphic memory capacity 4 GB, the processor name Ryzen 5 Hexacore, the SSD capacity was 256 GB, the RAM is 8 GB, the RAM type DDR4, the HDD capacity is 1 TB, the processor variant is 5600H series. The clock speed is 3.3 GHz with turbo boost up to 4.2 GHz. The expandable memory was up to 32 GB. The RPM is 7200. The graphic processor is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 series. The number of cores was 6. It comes with 2 USB 3.2 generation 1 and 1 USB Type C port with USB 3.2 generation 2 and 1 USB 3.2 generation 2 port with power off charging. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.1 and weighs 2.4 kgs. It comes with clock port Kingston lock slot and the keyboard is fine tip RGB backlit keyboard. The power supply is 135 watt AC adapter and the battery cell is a 4 cell. Coming to the third best gaming laptop is Asus TUF F15 gaming laptop. The Asus TUF F15 is a gaming laptop that will give you an amazing gaming experience without breaking your pocket. It is armed with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 processor. This Asus TUF gaming laptop is powered by Intel Core i5 10th generation processor, which will fulfill your 1080p gaming needs. Whether you play a lot of competitive esports or need a rugged laptop, this is a winner. This amazing gaming laptop comes with good battery life that make it an excellent choice for gaming and video editing. Other advantages of this laptop are good battery life, a decent 144Hz screen, new Intel i5 processor with GTX 1650, 4GB GDDR6 graphics with 8GB RAM, 1TB HDD plus 256GB SSD storage. So if you are not worried about noise and want a budget friendly gaming laptop with good battery life with a decent performance, you may consider this Asus TUF gaming laptop. Its performance is surprisingly good under this price range, and this laptop will keep you going for a long time. Coming to the specification, the resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels. The processor type is Intel Core i5 10th generation. The processor speed is 4.5 GHz. The RAM size is 8GB. The memory is DDR4. The maximum memory supported is 32GB. The memory clock speed is 2933 MHz. The hard drive size is 512GB SSD. The graphic processor is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 processor. The graphics RAM type is GDDR6. The graphic card RAM size 4GB. Number of USB 2.0 ports 1. Number of USB 3.0 ports 3. Number of HDMI ports 1. The refresh rate is 144Hz and the battery life is 5 to 6 hours. Coming to the next best laptop is HP Omen 15 gaming laptop. Delivering high power at every end is very attractive in this laptop, as you will be going to the powerful performance delivered through its both CPU and GPU, making it super powerful. You are having a very powerful and crisp display that possesses great image and video quality in its screen with greater resolution and an IPS level display with anti-glare technology. You will also be able to expand the memory up to 16GB and storage up to 1TB, making it more powerful and reliable to occupy the external power to increase its efficiency and responsiveness. With its awesome DTS-X Ultra technology, you will be able to experience the thrilling sound with or without the headphones, and you will listen to every detail with crystal clear sound. Coming to the specifications, the dedicated graphic memory type is GDDR6. The dedicated graphic memory capacity is 4GB. The processor brand is AMD. The processor name is Ryzen 5 Hexa-core. The SSD is of 512GB capacity. The RAM is of 8GB. And the graphic processor is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti series. The RAM type is DDR4. The processor variant is 4600H series. The clock speed is 3 GHz with turbo boost up to 4 GHz. The memory slots, it has 2 slots. The expandable memory is up to 16GB. The RAM frequency is 3200 MHz. The cache is 11 MB and the number of cores is 6. It comes with RJ45 port, and coming to the USB ports, it has one super speed USB Type-C port, and it has one super speed USB Type-A port, and it has two super speed USB Type-A ports with one mini display port. And coming to the screen resolution, it has 1920 by 1080 pixels, and the screen type is Full HD LED backlit display. And coming to the next best laptop is Asus ROG Strix G15. Higher refresh rates have become the big talking point for top gaming laptops in recent years. Thanks to the gains in performance, even budget level gaming laptops are getting refresh rates higher than 60 Hz. The Asus ROG Strix G15 is a good choice for a certain type of gamer. It's the cheapest 144Hz gaming laptop you can buy and offers just enough performance to make use of it in some games. Asus slaps an electropunk theme on Strix G15 with a pink ROG logo over a Fox aluminum hood and pink trim surrounding the lid. There's a thin cutout on the lid revealing the deck and LED indicators. Beyond the lid, there's a thick cartridge on the back that has a room for bunch of ports but makes the laptop looks like a little bulky. It looks pretty sleek. Meanwhile, the bezels on the display are incredibly thin, but unfortunately there's no webcam inside. Coming to the specifications, the dedicated graphic memory type is GDDR6. The dedicated graphic memory capacity is 4GB and the processor brand is Intel. The processor name is Core i5. The processor generation is 10th generation. and the SSD capacity is of 512 GB, and the RAM is of 8 GB. RAM type is DDR4 and the processor variant is 10th generation. And coming to the clock speed, it was 2.5 GHz with turbo boost up to 4.5 GHz, and it comes with 2 memory slots, and it has expandable memory up to 32 GB, and the RAM frequency is 2933 MHz, and the cache is 8 MB. The graphic processor is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. The number of cores is 4. The refresh rate is 144 Hz, and it has RJ45 port. And coming to the USB port, it has one USB 3.2 second generation, Type C with display port, and G-Sync. It has 3 USB 3.2 first generation Type A ports, and it comes with HDMI port also. And coming to the next best laptop is Lenovo IdeaPad 3. The Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 is a new versatile laptop targeting gamers that weighs 2.2 kg and comes in Charmeleon Blue and Onyx Black. It is built around AMD Ryzen processor with hexa-core Ryzen 5 4600H series with 3.0 GHz and octa-core Ryzen 7 4000H series with 2.9 GHz. It comes with a dedicated NVIDIA turning graphic card with GeForce GTX 1650 with 4GB GDDR6 and GeForce GTX 1650 Ti with 4GB GDDR6. The Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 laptop is also equipped with 2 Dolby audio speakers with a 720p HD webcam with microphone and a backlit with numeric keypad. And coming to the specifications, the dedicated graphic memory type is GDDR6. The dedicated graphic memory capacity is 4GB. The processor brand is AMD. The processor name is Ryzen 7 octa-core, and it has a SSD capacity of 512 GB, and it comes with 8 GB of RAM, and the RAM type is DDR4, and the process variant is 4800H series, and the chipset is AMD SoC, and it comes with a clock speed with 2.9 GHz with turbo boost up to 4.2 GHz. The expandable memory is up to 16 GB. The RAM frequency is 3200 MHz and the cache of 12 MB. The graphic processor is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. The number of cores is 8, and it comes with RJ45 port. And coming to the USB port, it has one USB-C 3.2 first generation and 2 USB 3.2 first generation. And coming to the next best laptop is HP Pavilion 15 gaming laptop. This laptop has dual channels wireless connectivity options. You will get latest Wi-Fi LAN adapter and Bluetooth 5.0 support within it. It comes with a dual speaker option which will provide you B&B audio experience. The laptop has fully sized edge-to-edge backlit keyboard option. In terms of ports, this one has only USB 3.0, USB 2.0, HDMI, audio output port and Ethernet port. If you want to buy a laptop for traveling to carry with you, then definitely you can buy this laptop because it weighs only 1.98 kg. The Pavilion Gaming looks like any other slab of black metal with an HP logo in the center. However, look closely and you will see HP's genuine design direction. Instead of going for all flashy design with multiple RGB lighting zones and wild stickers, HP has gone for the stealth approach with the design of the Pavilion Gaming laptop. The all metal chassis wears a matte paint, and HP has a good glossy violet theme on its logo to suggest its gaming intentions. The stealth paint scheme only adds to a fighter jet inspired designs of the rare hate vents. And coming to the specification, the display is 15.6 inch Full HD display. The refresh rate is 144 Hz. The processor is AMD Ryzen 5 hexa-core, and the RAMs comes with 8 GB with DDR4 generation, and the RAM is upgradable up to 16 GB. And coming to the GPU, it has 4 GB NVIDIA GeForce 1650 Ti graphics. And coming to the storage, it has 512 GB SSD. And coming to the storage, it is upgradable up to 1 TB plus 1 TB HDD. And coming to the battery, it has 52.5 watt hours, means it comes up to 8 hours. And coming to the ports, it has USB 3.0, USB 2.0 and comes with Ethernet port with HDMI port, and it has audio port too. And it comes with Bluetooth version 5.0 and Wi-Fi 5.